Affirmations are really, really powerful for everyday life, and particularly when it comes to preparing for birth. The thing is that we're all affirming something every day. Most likely, they're negative things, and this comes from our self-talk. So we need to start to take notice of the things that we're saying to ourselves in our heads so that we can then reframe them into more positive statements. So at the moment, you might be thinking,
my body's destined to fail me.
I'm going to need all the drugs going.
I'm not going to be able to cope with the pain.
So those types of thoughts and feelings are going to be exacerbating your anxieties about birth. It's going to be making you feel tense and anxious and worried. And we really don't want you to feel like that. We want you to feel as confident and as positive as possible. So let's look at a few statements that we call positive affirmations that you can use to start to change the way that you feel. And these actually work by changing your brain. It's that amazing. Your brain is able to change shape and to think differently. So these affirmations, when repeated daily with conviction and feeling, will change the neural pathways in your brain, start to make you to feel more confident, and also help you to notice more positive things in your life. So instead of those negative statements that I mentioned before, how about trying something much more positive? For example, my body is designed to give birth. Said with feeling and with conviction, this can really start to shape the way that you think about your body. And it's totally, totally true. Your body is perfectly designed to give birth. There are so many things going on in your body right now that you aren't even aware of or in control of, that's nurturing and growing and creating this amazing baby inside of you. And that continues into labour and birth, all these amazing things that happen inside of your body. So your body is designed to give birth. My favourite affirmation has to be, my surges are not stronger than me because they are me. That's so powerful. Usually women think that birth is something that is being done to them. It's something that's distanced from them, that they're not actually a part of it. But actually your surges or contractions are you. It's you. It's powerful and it's strong, and that is you. And another one which I absolutely love is, I enjoy the sensations of birth. Now I know you might be thinking, what? She gone crazy? And it might feel a little bit far away from you right now. But birth is so much more than what your friends have experienced. It's so much more than what you've seen in films and on television. It can be such an amazingly wonderful, positive experience. And with the right preparation, with you feeling as confident as possible, with you having the right strategies and tools and techniques to use, you really can enjoy the sensations of birth. So I've compiled a list of my favourites, and Channel Mum have put together a document for you that you can download and you can start using those affirmations straight away. You can use these by taking a screenshot and having them on your phone. So every time you go to open your phone, you can see that favourite affirmation, read it over in your mind with conviction and with feeling, and start to notice the changes that it makes in your mindset every day. You could also cut up those affirmations and you could place them around your home, so that perhaps in the kitchen, on the fridge, on your bathroom mirror, maybe inside your wardrobes. Take them to wherever you're giving birth, whether that's at home or whether it's in a birth centre or in a hospital, and have them put dotted around so that during labour you can focus on that affirmation and you can repeat it in your mind, and it will help you to navigate your way through birth and keep that continuity with that positive mindset.